Hi guys, it's Commander Uzi back for another video, and I got my little pistol right here, and then I might do my barrel break, or I might do it on a different video. I might do an airsoft pistol. I'm probably gonna do that next video after somebody, you know. So
Logan needs 81 peeps. These are my targets.
Okay. So I got my little shotgun attachment for my gun, which I'm somehow lost. Don't know. So I got this. Sorry about that. My mother just used it first. So I got this little pistol gun, and I got my new bucket of bolts. And I got a dart, like always. And then I get shoot you with it. And I fail at it. So this gun, it is very small. It is very small, but it is very, very powerful. I will go back. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. That didn't stick. Sorry. That didn't stick. I'm gonna go back and get it because it's going to stick. It will stick. I just gotta. Boo! When I'm back. So I can assure you this will stick. I'm just gonna make it stick. Okay, I don't know. It's being weird, but I promise you, it's stuck. You know what? After, I don't know, I might start doing Nerf Vortex because you see, look at the bottom, there's a lot of Nerf Vortex. So I could definitely do Nerf Vortex because I very like Nerf Vortex. They're very nice weapons. So yeah, this little pistol, it's gonna be a short video, only 2 minutes. It's a very small pistol, very small, but very, very big. So let's see, at maximum, how far it goes. BGS style. This pistol goes very far. I'm pretty sure it's this pistol. So this is the gun. This is where it landed, right here. Right here, I can show you, it's right here. See the shoe? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Where is it? Where is it? It's right here. Right here. Can you see that? Yeah, that yellow thing. Yeah, this bullet. Because these bullets in this gun. I might do different bullets. I'm only gonna do this bullet. But this bullet goes very far. Your computer must be going weird with all these blue dot things. Because it is very dark outside. My iPod is trying very hard to catch me. I don't know, my brightness thing's not working, so daily bullet. Good luck.